session, we will learn how to work with mail merge option. So first we have to select Mailing tab. This option is used to send the same kind of letter to different peoples by using existing database like addresses of employees or students. It means first we have to prepare a letter and we have to merge the database to it, and then we can generate any number of copies automatically so that we can send the letters quickly to any number of people. This is the important topic in MS Word, and for this we should have database. So select the option Select Recipients. If already we have database, then we have to click on this option. This option is used to enter the database newly. And if you want to select from outside contacts, then we have to select this option. Now I have to give new text. I am selecting this option. Here I am giving title, first name, last name, company, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip code, etc. And press Tab key for the next entry. Like this, we have to give information and click on OK. Here we have to give name XYZ and click on Save. Now we have to prepare letter to Dear Sir, and here we have to type some text. Next we have to give from address. Now we have to insert the required fields into address. Title, first name, last name, company name, address, city, state, code. Now we can merge this letter. So select Start Mail Merge, Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. Here we have selected this option. With the help of this option, we can also select different list. Now we are taking the information from xyz.microsoft database file. Next click on Write the letter. Already we have wrote the letter. So click on the next step, Preview your letters. Here we can see this letter is generated for John and this letter is generated for Ravi. So according to this format, it will match the addresses which is in database and it will generate the letters for any number of peoples at a time. In MS Word, we can also create envelopes and labels. Here, we have to give delivery address and return address and click on OK, then label will create. In same way, we can prepare labels also. Here we have some label options and we can select number of rows and columns in a page and finally click on OK button.